Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix a cabinet fan necessary for installation cannot be trusted. So if you are new today to this channel, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more updates, comment where you watch it from, and turn on notification post. So this is how you go about by clicking the Opera Mini. So you type the link, so after done typing you press enter. So here is the Google Drive website where you can download files, so click on download. This is the website of directx June 2019 edit.exe. It may take you directly to download, so when it's done downloading you click on this file from the download folder. Click on download anywhere. Click on save. Whenever you want to download the file and you want to save your file from the file explorer, either it is a document, a download, or anywhere you want to save. After this is done downloading, before then you click on this app. You click on this app to extract the file. Before you extract the file, make sure you go to Intel from the local disk C. Then For those of you that did not see the GG folder, you can make a new folder by yourself. And all you have to do is click on the mouse and click on new before folder, and then type GG, and yes, and then click on yes. But for now I'm cancelling it because I've already make another a new folder. And click on yes. Then the message shows, please type the location where you want to play the extracted files. Click on browse and then go to GG and click on OK. So you click on OK. And then it will start extracting files just now. You click yes to all. So after it's done extracting, go to the file explorer. No, then go to this PC. Go to local disk C, go to Intel, go to GG, and now as you can see it has extracted successfully. Then all you have to do is to look for the GX setup by using right click on the mouse to click run as administrator and click on yes. Then if you click on this app for directx setup, you must click I accept the agreement before proceed, then click on next, then click next again. It will start installing components. And note that it is required an internet connection to install. If you don't connect your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, it will corrupt and it will want to install your direct setup. after it is done installing, you right click on the mouse to refresh. Then after that, after refreshing, you check the game launcher if it works. So this is how you can fix the cabinet file necessary for installation cannot be trusted. Some of you have faced an issue to launch the game or your favorite games that's causing problem not to run, and the messages that shows a cabinet file necessary for installation cannot be trusted. Please verify the cryptographic services that enable and cabinet file is valid, like the module init key.dll jpk csp.gwl SCCB base GWL SLB CSP.gl failed to load or is not found. So if the video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, or give me a thumbs up to this video, comment where you watch it from, and turn on the notification post. So thank you for watching, and catch you up in the next video.